he barking at? What's he barking at? What's that noise? What's that noise?
He doesn't like that vacuum cleaner.
You don't like the vacuum cleaner?
Well, you don't like the vacuum cleaner. Oh, come here. It's okay. It's over.
Ooh, did that scare you?
Libby, you know what the vacuum cleaner is. Boy,
Harley, let's go find the vacuum cleaner. Come on.
He doesn't like the vacuum cleaner.
Come on, let's go find it. Come on. Come on, Harley. Let's go get it. Come on. This way. Come on, Harley. What is this? What is that? Harley, what is it? Go get it. Come on, Harley. Come on, Harley. Come on. Come on. Let's get it. Come here. Come on. Yes, it's okay. Come on. Come over here. Come on, Harley. Come on. It's not a monster. Come here, Harley. Come here, boy. Harley. That's that monster on the floor.
He's in here by Katie.
Come here, Harley. Come here. Come on. Come on, Harley. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. What's this? Huh? Come on. Come on.
I can finish.
Want the sock? Get the sock.